This is gonna be a hot girl summer whole food meal prep. So we're gonna start with some whole food Greek yogurt, organic strawberries, organic blueberries, organic honey and cinnamon. We're gonna put them in these little jars I got off Amazon. So you're gonna chop up all your strawberries so you can have them for snacks and to put on top of your Greek yogurt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep these Greek yogurt parfaits with strawberries and blueberries, organic honey and cinnamon. So we're gonna prep some high fiber snacks. We're gonna have crunchy cucumber, crunchy carrots. Fiber is just as important as protein. And I also have these amazing seltzer waters from Kroger. They hit the spot over anything sugary. So I like to make sure I have a nice crunchy high fiber snack available. So carrots and cucumbers are perfect to dip into ranch, dip into avocado, just dip into something, some kind of dip. And you can even dip it in like shredded chicken with buffalo. And I just love the crunch of a cucumber and a carrot. And they're super high in fiber because fiber is just as important as protein. Fiber is the cure for your gut, and a healthy gut is everything. This is Hot Girl Summer Meal Prep. This is also Lazy Girl Summer Meal Prep. We're gonna prep some vegetables. We're gonna chop up a tomato, chop up an onion, and chop up a pepper with this amazing chopper. And having chopped vegetables just makes it so much easier to get them into your diet. You can sprinkle them on anything. And I love to like make omelets in the morning and just throw in some peppers, some onions, and some tomatoes. It just makes it so easy to get fresh vegetables into your diet. So I like to use a chopper. It's super simple, super quick. Chop up your pepper, chop up your onion, tomato, anything else that you want to chop up, and just keep it in a container in your fridge. And then it is so much easier to throw in veggies in all your meals. Like I said, hot girl summer meal prep and lazy girl summer meal prep. We're gonna be using 3 pans, putting them in the oven all together, cooking it. Super easy, super simple. Oven 425, you wanna cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. You're gonna load up 3 pans with green beans, potatoes, and chicken. And then you're gonna put them in the oven at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, and then you're gonna broil them at 500 degrees for 5 minutes at the end, so you get them nice and crispy, so they're not like roast oven food, it's like crispy oven food. So seasoning here, green beans however you want. Avocado oil is the best, Himalayan pink salt is the best, and onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper. Mixing it all together. I like my green beans super seasoned, super crispy. And I'm gonna put them all on one tray and then put that to the side. And we're gonna top it with the secret ingredient of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. This is what gives you such nice, crispy, oven broiled, nice green beans. Then we're gonna prep our potatoes, chop them up, put them in a bowl, avocado oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, whatever seasonings you want. Again, I like my food to be very seasoned. I like the crisp, I like the season. So, and then we're gonna put these on a pan and top it with, again, a secret ingredient of freshly Parmesan cheese. Freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. And now for the chicken prep, you're gonna take your chicken breast, you're gonna cut them in half. You want them to be thin. You might have to adjust your cooking times based off the thickness of your chicken, but I like my chicken thin. I also, when I do this, it gives me so much more chicken for the week and so much more chicken. So once you have your chicken thinly sliced, you're gonna then rub some avocado oil on both sides. And then we're gonna create this bed of seasoning. The bed of seasoning is going to be an organic or ranch packet, salt, pepper. Actually, the salt you don't need to put on because it's probably, there's enough salt in that packet. But onion powder, garlic powder, the ranch seasoning, pepper, and then we're going to put freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And you're going to make this nice seasony, cheesy bed that you're then going to lay the chicken breast on. Both sides of the chicken breast is going to get seasoned and then place on the baking sheet. And then at the very, very end, you're gonna add more Parmesan cheese on top. So that way when you go to broil it, it gives you the nicest, crispiest Parmesan seasoned chicken. So this is where Lazy Girl meal prep comes in. We're then going to place all 3 trays into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I usually do 30, but it really depends, 25, 30 minutes. And at the very end, for the last 5 minutes after the 25 to 30 minutes, at the end, you're going to do a 5-minute broil at 500 degrees. And that's what's going to make everything super crispy and oven delicious, not oven gross. Best thing about oven meal prep is you get to clean up your kitchen while it's baking for 30 minutes. It is just the easiest, ultimate way to cook. And here I'm gonna prep my meals for the next couple of days. Super easy, super simple. This is the kind of meal prep I like, where it's healthy, whole food, but also super doable and easy, because if it's not easy, I probably won't do it. So this is my Hot Girl Summer meal prep. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, or subscribe, like, and comment. And comment below any really fun meal preps that you enjoy, because I would love to try them out. Thank you, and I will see you next time.